impeccable condominium homes that you can find in Cebu. There are some projects that before they ever built, will become a legacy and a monument of architectural excellence in the community. I knew this was the case when I first saw the plan years ago, and now it's almost ready to move in. I'm really excited to show you this, so let's take a look right now. Right across from 30th Park Avenue, you can find the brand new Ayala Mall Center Block in Ivy Hall. So let's take a look inside the studio unit room. Amazing, the modern design.
The studio unit has been designed for you. If you are that savvy, discerning professional who has earned that ideal living space of your own. The one that also happens to be walking distance to everything in IT Park. You really can live right here and create the special place you call home. Maximum efficiencies of space creates an ideal, comfortable studio home with a perfect combination of organized space and modern high-tech design and comfort.
So now let's take a look at the one-bedroom unit.
The one-bedroom unit provides the perfect home space for the person who prefers a complete floor plan with more square meters and distinct living areas separating the kitchen, living room, and bedroom with all the luxurious details and design excellence 38th Avenue is known for.
So now let's look for two-bedroom unit here in the Come inside.
The two-bedroom unit will be the natural choice of a variety of home buyer types. All the beauty and exquisiteness in a layout design that provides two bedrooms in an elegant setting like a luxury resort suite right in the heart of Cebu's business and technology district.
Three-bedroom unit.
Can you really imagine such an elegant and refined home environment with expansive rooms that extend like this three-bedroom unit? Inside this amazing urban sanctuary abode, you will discover this three-bedroom unit is an unbelievable spacious luxury home paradise for the distinguished person or family who prefers this level of space. Once you see it, you will know you have found your new home and nothing could change your mind once you feel it inside. The master bedroom is quite huge, and each of these bedrooms is large enough to accommodate the needs of growing families. The 38th Avenue Tower has reserved the 3 floors for the most magnificent penthouse residences of imperial living quality to ever be conceived and constructed in Cebu. All I can tell you here is that each of these residences contains over 500 square meters of the most superb palatial design and construction in a luxury tower setting designed for discriminating aristocratic lifestyle. For the VIP service you deserve for any type of unit from studio to penthouse, let's start by calling me now for my buyer consultation to help you find out what is right for you. When you consider that with living in 38th Avenue, you have access to all the amenities such as the fitness center, swimming pools, lounge areas, multifunctional hall, kids zone, garden atrium, high ceiling lobby, 24-hour security, CCTV system, property management services, 100 backup power, material recovery facility, fire detection system, automatic sprinkler system, domestic water tank, plus the convenience of walking outside your door and stepping into the heart of IT Park Central Block, E-Block 2, and the rest of this community of technology professionals. You will see how owning this home is the perfect investment to complement and enhance your successful career. The process of searching for and finding the ideal home in Cebu can be one of the most fulfilling experiences in your life. But without the right help, it can turn out to be a horror story. Before taking the next step, click on the link below to get my free book, How to Buy a Condo in Cebu. And when you're ready, give me a call to schedule a free consultation.